Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all having a good day. In today's video, we had a little bit of fun at the dyno, and not just fun, but a great experience because I was actually behind the wheel while we was doing the dyno pulls. And as you'll see from the dyno charts, it was a little squirrely just because I didn't fully understand what I was doing, but it was still a lot of fun. The turbo is loud, the exhaust sounded great. But yeah, just sit back, enjoy, and let me know what you think.
Party people in the place to be, yeah. It's another night coming your way tonight, yo. I wanna see you get on down to the sound, to the beats, the underground.
Really need to do much with any of them other than F3 and F1. F3 is speed, so that's going to hold the car at whatever RPM you have set here when you're in fourth gear.
Right.
So basically you want to pull off in fourth just like you would in first. It'll just be freewheeling, so it shouldn't pull off real smooth, no load or anything. Once you get up to say, we're going to turn it down a second to say 2,000. So when you let the clutch out, it'll free rev up to about 2,000. It should hold the car there at 2,000. Then you can give it more gas, less gas. It really won't matter. It should hold it at 2,000. I'm not sure what kind of messing with DCU she needs to do, if it's just pulls or if you want to do steady state. Steady state, you can just hit up and down arrow and it'll change that number, and that'll also change RPM as long as you're giving it enough throttle to maintain that RPM. Okay. And then once you have a load on it, you can hit F1 and that'll start autopilot, it's called, basically a dyno pull. It's going to sweep to 100 RPM at 600 RPM a second. So that the 600 RPM determines how fast it goes through the RPM range. I usually run them at 500, 600. Okay. 600 gets you a little better data logs. I'm assuming it's doing some kind of logs or something. So that way you'll get a little cleaner readings, store more information in a computer. You can go ahead and start the car up if you want. I don't think I'll put the key in the console there.
Doing my own pulls with the dyno. This is fun. Alright, I'm ready when you are. make the power that we wanted to make or what we expected. But when it's 99 degrees outside, it's very humid. I think they said like 60% humidity. We did the best we could, and that is 475 horsepower. Don't mind right here, because that was me learning how to actually work the dyno. So we was hoping for more, but 475 still isn't bad on a stock block 3.8 with just a turbo kit on it. So still, give a special shout out to Galena with Alpha Speed DMV, because without her, the car just wouldn't be running this way. And then of course we got to thank Alec Granger over with Remnant Performance, because all the research and development that he put into building these kits. Before, the 3.8s was only rumored to handle about 5 to 6 pounds. Now here I am running 10. Still chasing my buddy Rob, who's pushing 10.2 on E30 and made 515 to the wheel. So just watch out, Rob, because we coming for you. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned until next time.